I had some scrap wood, so I used the walnut as a spacer, and the taller piece of ash, that's what the guard or the plate on the router is going to slide against or push against. You basically just put the guard up and line it up where you want the bit to cut. On the handle here, mine are different because I have a handle, so I just hot glued a scrap piece of walnut to give me that cut. This hot glue gun works really well. I would highly recommend it. I've had it for over 3 years and use it for so many things. They make jigs for this as well. I've tried to make one, didn't have a lot of success, so I just use scrap wood when I'm doing juice grooves. I don't always do juice grooves, it just depends on the customer's request. Let's take it for a test drive. Just trying to eyeball where it's going to go, where the bit's going to cut into the wood. You don't want to go too deep. You can do it in multiple passes. I did it in 1 or 2 passes. I kind of plunge it, hold it with another finger to hold it in place, and just slowly advance it. Even though I did light passes, I still had to do a little bit of light sanding. This is where the bit may have lifted up, so it's pretty normal to need to sand the slot. Now let's do the second cutting board. It's a little smaller. We're able to use most of the same pieces. I wanted to make them just a little lower, so I went ahead and cut them to height on the table saw. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll be sure to answer that for you. Thanks for watching.